Okay, everybody, I'm back. I had a video cooking here on the grill. Hot dogs, cabbage, kielbasa, sausage, mustard, onions. Had hot dogs there on the grill. Had the Coleman stove set up on tailgate. Cooked spam and eggs. So, waiting on this to get done. Cabbage, sausage, mustard, onion. Going to get a sample out on the plate for me and my wife to try. Take what's left in that pan, pour it in this pot, put it in the refrigerator and save it. Eat it tomorrow. That pot's black on the side. That's because it was hanging on one of those tripods up there. Hung it over a tripod over a fire and cooked beans and ham hock on the Nochucky River. That's why that pot is black. So, let y'all know how this came out. Kielbasa sausage, cabbage, mustard, onion, water to steam the cabbage. Still likes a little bit. Charcoals are still white. Probably gonna take a while, but just to update here, quick video. I'll be back with something else. Appreciate y'all.